She does a better job than you. Watch her technique and listen. Okay? Watch this. Every time Mama gets it. You hear it? She got 3, 4, 5. Go ahead. Higher. Keep going.
It's harder to do higher.
Sorry. But she's getting them. She got like 8. She has like a jolt to her. Alright, let the big daddy do the top. Good job, Carly.
7.